question is my camera working? Because I had no clue. No context. Like it is. That's good. That's super awesome. Welcome. Looks like we're still 50 followers short of our goal. Isn't that so sad? Oh well. How you guys doing? Who's online? Is anybody online yet? I guess I got an hour before my scheduled reminders pop in. So. But we're here. And we are live. And what else can I say? Not much, obviously. I've got the blonde in my hair showing on top. I always forget I have blonde in my hair. I'm getting kind of bored with this bot. The time is 2 p.m. So we'll confirm auto merge. Hey, how you doing? Isla Rock. Isla Rock. Welcome. Thanks for coming to hang out with us. I don't think this is going to change anything. Just trying to get some of this stuff merged. Music's always loud compared to my voice. Just because I am constantly changing the music input. Thanks for that, though. That's merged. What other pull requests we got? Should we do the linter? Let's go ahead and get this cleaned up and ready to go. The Go build's not working. What's the branch called? Add test to the dot. It should be add test to the bot. Because I can type. You know, I've always been a good typer. Cool. Oh, hi! I've only seen Ender's Game the movie. I haven't actually read the books. So I don't actually know that much about it, unfortunately. Okay, so what was failing in my build? Is it the test? I think it's my tests, yeah. I needed to... oh yeah, the whole point of this was adding tests. Fail. What test fails? It shouldn't need a cluster ID to be set. Shouldn't really need anything else. I don't know. Yeah, see? It says fail, process complete with Xcode 1. I don't know what tests are actually failing. I think it's my main. It doesn't skip the Discord bot integration test. Line 11. Okay. There should be one, not that one, but with a tag. Not bench either. It's been a minute since I ran these. Go test. It should be dash v. Oh, it should be, what was my tag? Okay. Integration test. See, there was that. See, everything passes here, so clearly the problem is it doesn't have... Oh yeah, I knew that. So I need to, here, right, because it doesn't have a cluster ID in the test. Cluster ID. In the settings. There's a way to add secrets to an action. And I need to add that secret to my action. That's all I need to do. Pretty simple, I think. Oh goodness. How are you guys doing? I might need to go get a caffeine break in a minute. My goodness, if I'm gonna stay this tired, I have... And by caffeine, I mean something that's a little bit more concentrated than this. This has got some energy stuff in it, but... It's definitely not. It'll keep me awake. Cause like, to be fair, I just got a lot of stuff coming up, and when I anticipate things, I just zonk. Anticipation makes me tired. Hey Ivor, how you doing? I didn't even ask how you're doing. You already said I'm good, so. I assume you'll be heading out again tonight. You know, like usual. I just check my action scripts real quick. Because yeah, I do need to see here. I add the token. But if I just want, let's do this. GitHub Actions environment variables. I think it's just going to tell me that I can just do this, because that's all I want essentially. Is I just want to add an environment secret. Friday groovin'? Yeah, because you go out and dance every Friday. I knew that. Oh my gosh, and I've been so good at streaming every Friday. I'm so proud of myself. But now I need to find another day. I'm thinking Wednesdays. The problem is I need to do it Wednesday morning. Not because I'm busy at night necessarily, but because switch up the audience, I guess. I guess that's my whole thing. And I hate mornings. Not like in general. It's just if I just so struggle with getting up recently. Like I have no motivation to get up. or like do things during the day. Like just the getting up to do things is where I lack motivation. Doing things is fine, but getting up to do things is the worst. Just the getting up. I don't know if you all feel the same way. So, anyway. I have, okay, no wait, going back. I have 2 secrets. No, I don't want those. Oh, I can just manage, I think I can just manage my environment and add it here. See, I think I can just add a secret. Yeah. Which should be the the DB, which one? What was the one it said it didn't have? The database thing or the Discord token? It wasn't it. The integration test couldn't connect to the data. The whole thing was connecting to the database, just pinging the database. But I don't know if it needed all of them or... I think it does need all of them. I think it needs all of them. So I'll have to add all of them. I just don't want you to see my password, sorry. Also not see how pathetic I am at a dual screening. It looks pretty pathetic. So now, just hanging out. Should be able to see it again, no problem. So we go down here, we have a details, so we're just running our stuff. Okay, we did fail it again. Just show me where I failed the stupid test. The DB cluster ID is not set. I must have to export it. So I've added them here. See, I have a CI/CD, and that has 6 secrets. And DB cluster ID is one of them. Did I spell it wrong? I mean, I copy and pasted. You can't really spell it wrong from a copy paste. So obviously, I need to edit something in my actions. Oh, that was what I was supposed to not show you. Oops, wasn't supposed to show you that. So, it's been an interesting week in April. We got some snow a couple days ago. I ordered a laptop stand. We set up a meetup for our lightning talks. It's a Go anniversary meetup where we're going to do lightning talks. And everybody was so excited about lightning talks. And then they're like, oh, I don't have anything to talk about. It's like, well, that's the whole reason we're doing lightning talks. Because you literally have 5 minutes to talk about nothing. Like, literally nothing. Like, you like... It can be any content. That's the whole point of lightning talks. Like, all things are open. All the things are open for you. What was I looking up? GitHub, Actions. No, not... Why did it open a new tab? GitHub, Actions, set in... variables. I think I have to export them in the script. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so I just need to do an end. Let's go back. My face is mirrored, so this is my right hand. I guess that is, like, to you, that this should be the, like, this should be the right, correct? Right? GitHub Actions, set end path. Where does it say set env? Well, that was just a change log. Sending, no. Setting environment variables. You can make environment variables in the subsequent steps in the workflow job by defining and updating the variable. No. Like, I have the secrets. Well, I don't... Preference? GitHub Actions is what I do the most of. Like, I really like GitHub Actions because I use them so much. I think, right, so on this one, we have this token equals. So I think in the run, I should be able to just, not, oh gosh. I have too many. I like literally can't believe how many things I have open on this computer. It's insane. I do not remember ever. It's because I don't, it's like my work computer I'm on all day. So it, like, I clean it up, but this one I'm only ever on outside of streaming for like an hour at a time maybe. And so like I never clean it up because I don't, like, I get on there to do the task, not to clean up my computer. So it's like a whole thing. Oh my goodness. Also, if I'm squirmy today, it's because I'm standing. Not like usually I sit for these, but I've been trying to not fall asleep. So actually, so let's go back here. So it's not just a question of setting the environment variable, it's like setting it from the token. So let's do GitHub Actions and variables from secrets. Yeah, but it said it was getting rid of that. Okay, I'm gonna just try that, but I only need the env here. So, sorry. And then it is what? Database cluster ID equals, and then here we go, $, secrets dot data. Yeah. What else do I need? Database username. Secrets dot database username. Database password equals There's another one. What's the other one? Host. And then the Discord token. That's not how you spell secrets. This is add and variables from secrets. Hopefully that'll work okay. Seacrest, yes, that's what I was trying to spell. The Seacrest. So now if I go down to the pull request, it should be running. Input string is not correct format. One of these is formatted wrong? Yeah, they're all formatted wrong. Who did that? Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Okay. That's exactly what I have now. Now that it's formatted correctly. Oh, I need to write. Use YAML formatting instead of whatever the heck I was using. It's actually a really fun song. Oh no, it failed again. I get emails every time it fails. I hate GitHub emails are some of the most spammy emails in the history of the planet. Like, oh, we got a Go West submission. So the Go West CFP is open. We're looking for Go related talks. It failed. So all the talks for Go. See, it said that the cluster... Oh, that's because I typed database instead of DB on all of these. Noob! And then one, I didn't even spell the whole thing right. I bet there's still DB! Ugh. Those should all be changed. Yeah. Change database to DB. 'Cause I'm not a noob. I'm a concerned citizen. Just, you know, so everybody knows. I'm going literally, because I manage so many Twitter accounts, sometimes it's cheating when I post polls on Twitter. So like when I post polls on Twitter, I just go and vote at them. And like, it's not like I have 100,000 followers, so like, what'd I fail this time? DB cluster ID is not set. What the heck? It is 2 being set. So I need to echo that. Did I spell the other one wrong? Like it says secrets DB cluster ID. So we should do this. We should echo DB cluster ID. Make I couldn't do this without exiting, and I need to get better at that. I have the plugins to just do it directly in BIM, and it would save me probably like a whole 0.3 seconds of productivity, you know, and the 0.3 seconds is what matters the most. Echo and variables. Learning so much about GitHub Actions. Did it fail? It didn't fail yet. Let me just say, every time I have to work on GitHub Actions, like, they fail. Like, they're just hard for me, I guess. I don't know. And now it's just not even building? Oh, it is. See, it's still not setting it. Did the echo at least run? Wait, am I setting it on the wrong step? No, I'm setting it on the one I want to set it on. Wait. Why is that there too? Git, add, git, see, look at this. Commit, message, comment out, extra, test. What? Oh, that's because that should be a lowercase c. Git, nope. It wasn't even running them, like it was running this one. But I don't need to run the test twice. Right? Like, that's superfluous. Am I wrong? I forget. Okay, I remember specifically having a reason for that. Having 2 testing steps, but it seems stupid. Look at that. It was just my test. Now it's it was just extra. I mean, I swear I needed that testing step. I like how... Let's kill that echo. This is great to me. It's like, great, one of them works. Clearly, only one of them works, and it's not the Discord token. Like... What if I just did this? And this would be really hacky. So what if I just, instead of doing this, I just set them on the test itself. So then this would be DB cluster. Well, actually, let's not... Everything worked except for this one, so we're gonna comment that one out. And then we'll just say Discord token equals secrets dot Discord token. Get add. We're just gonna call this testing WebSocket client. Yeah, but it needs to be lowercase commit. WebSocket client. Git push. That's not a word. Oh my gosh. That's a word. We did it. We found a word, guys. I mean, as if that was my only goal today. I mean, I had some. Oh look, it hasn't even... That was it? I must have had the name wrong. Why did the other ones work and this one not? Like, the secrets. It says Seacrest again. I'm just removing it. Git add. Nope. Git commit. Message. We should fail on Discord. I told you I was gonna be extra like fidgety today because I'm standing up. Like usually I have to have like a balance board or something because otherwise I just like you can't see it. I'm always bouncing my legs, so I'm always moving. I'm never not moving. So if this passes, though, then the last check... Let's go through that code and make sure it looks like how we want it to look. Yeah, we're going to kill that go test part, though. We don't need comments. Yep. Yep. That's good. Add tests, which we need. I'm gonna delete that Twitter mock if we're not using it. Looks like we got 2 sets of changes that need to be gone through. Test server, that's fine. And this is, I'm not clearly not doing like an actual code review right now. All I'm doing is making sure that my prints and my comments are clean. And that I don't have any like dumb debugging stuff in here. The whole point of this PR was to add a linter. What linter? Let's double check my linter configs actually. Speaking of, here we go. I updated my linter in my dot files, so they're my dot files. I'm really loving the Stream Deck thing. I just added it, and it's really I didn't just add it. I've had it for a couple weeks, but like, did it just fail 5 minutes ago? That was not. I don't know the changes I've made in 5 minutes, but let me just say, I am loving the new functionality that I've added. What shortcuts do I have? Right now I have change Twitter name, I turn on my lights, I have some websites, some hotkeys, I control my music, and I have a Twitch integration. I also have the OBS integration, so I can start, stop, change scenes, and stuff like that. And yeah, some quick fire commands for Twitch. I also have some sound effects that I'm working on, but my audio's not configured correctly. What I'm surprised really about the Stream Deck stuff though is how many configs they have for meetings, for non-streaming activities, like for Zoom, or like, just like, and like a ton to pull up software things. Like, I could have an entire panel of Stream Deck stuff that I just use for work. How come my stuff still fit? Okay. So that's really surprising to me. I was looking at those last night, and like, just so many things that you can integrate with for like actual work-related productivity. Like nothing, like, if you consider Twitch a hobby, nothing hobby-related. Okay, so now it's failing. Like, the Discord one failed. It was working. Well, I mean, yeah, I have hotkeys too. I could do a lot of stuff with on my keyboard for work. But Stream Deck already has that built in for you. It's insane, like the amount of granularity you can have in Zoom. Why did this one fail? Because notice, this is Secrist, and that worked. So that should be nothing. That's literally setting Discord token to nil. Yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff. With, like, here, let me just... No, I should go to just straight up the store. So yeah, I mean, besides the fact that they just look cool, like, I can do... Oh, this is music that they have, but, like, I use this one's for my lighting. You can get a lot of utilities, YouTube, Zoom, Discord, Wavelink, it says I have, but it doesn't connect, actually. Spotify. The MIDI one's actually probably really nice if you wanted to use it as a stream board. Reaction speed. PowerPoint. Anyway. Like, they just have a ton of crazy things in here. Like, for straight up work product. Like, if I was in marketing. Oh, wait, you want me to change it back to what? To just this? So you see what this is what my face looks like right now. I don't have any customization on there. Like, I could change all of these to be custom images and stuff, so. It's pretty basic, but, like, to be fair, I am still kind of getting a handle on things. So why on earth is it failing? Like, my tests are failing now. I don't care about the changes. I want to know why my tests fail. Change it back to Seacrest? Yeah, I'll change it back. That was really weird. Yeah, we're definitely going to be changing it back to Seacrest, because what the heck, why did that work? I wonder if they have that built in as like a common, like a common misspell. It was this one. This one ran. Like, what the F? Seacrest runs. Right? Am I right? Seacrest runs? So yeah, Seacrest out. Why on earth was that a thing, is my question. Also, question, I don't know how many people are watching, but I want to know, how many of you get digest emails from the post service in the, I guess if you're in the US, but I will get emails letting me know when something's going to be delivered that say nothing is being delivered. Like, I know something is going to be delivered that day because the email was sent, even though the email's text says nothing is being delivered. Like, I need to know if everybody else gets those emails. I also need to know who is building that email service sending thing so that I can help them generate emails with appropriate text. Because I get the email without fail. The day I get the email, there is a package in my mailbox. But the email always says nothing being delivered. Like, come on. You know? No. Did I not push that? Somebody just please tell me. That's because that's not... Run the tests! I'm going to need... Oh my gosh. So yeah. I do not, it failed again! Why did it fail this time? No, it says it worked. It says it worked. Shut the front door. Why? That shouldn't work. I do not like this. Okay, I'm gonna try something. This is an empty value. So what if I just put it to like literally like a dummy string, right? Like this. Oh, come on. Test dummy string. Now let's go see if it works. It's not running. Did it not run? Did it not run the... Yeah, it ran that. No, it didn't run the builds. When was the last time the action for builds ran? See? Startup failure. That's why. It's not actually running. I knew it was a fluke. I knew it! I knew it was. Okay, so now that I've solved that problem, baloney. It didn't build. If the Go one didn't run, which this did not, yeah. This should run again, because I took that out. It's not in there. There's no on line 30. There is no secret. The Discord token could have been pasted wrong. Update Go workflow to build. I get this song a lot. I don't know why. I do not know why I get this song so much on the playlist, but I do get it quite a bit. Quite a bit. Okay, let's go check that. Go linter, go action. Okay, obviously this works. So how far back can I go? Let's go make sure, first thing first. Oh, I have the environments pulled up right here. Did I have a Discord token? Cool, I do have a Discord token. Cool. I mean, that's what I wanted. Make sure I have a Discord token. And now the second thing I need to do is run this. What's the environment variable? I thought it was called integration test true. Like, I run this, it does not do the Discord bot, which is correct. So this one should not run with the Discord bot. It skips one test. So now I go integration test equals true. If I could spell again, that's not something that we're gonna even try and work on today. Okay, so everything here works with the so the only thing I can think of is maybe I don't have the Discord token saved correctly. So let's try and be good about that. Even though I'm horrible, obviously, at remembering to close my stuff out. Okay, so now I've updated that. So now that that's updated, I should be able to just go to the actions and rerun them. And then I only want to rerun failed jobs. And then we'll just check this. I didn't know you could drag that around. See, and this is why I need to have everybody and their dog. There we go. We got a fail. So, see? I wonder if I should just make it expect a fail. That's really interesting. It's interesting is I just updated. I literally just copy and pasted the environment stuff. Like this I updated 3 minutes ago. It's called Discord token. We know they work locally, but locally they're behaving very differently. And like, I know the Discord connects the other way, but, so let's go here. Let's go actually run through the test. So we get a Discord token and we set up the server, error setting up server. So everything works through here. Which test did it fail on? The valid or invalid? It doesn't. Oh, it is on the valid one. Somebody should change that name on line 29. Because that is a mess. Okay, so valid client. It does have a clean function which runs here. Which should close it. How is this different than that? I don't know if I even want to test the happy path here. Let's kill happy path. Do we want happy path tests as integrations or mock tests? Right? Because I could mock out a happy path. So yeah. I don't know if I want a happy path. What? It still failed? How did it still fail? Unexpected code 40. Yeah, great. This is a rip grip, by the way. Oh, we're not connecting to Cockroach DB? Why is that just printing? Oh no, it's definitely returning. Oh, here. Cluster ID is set. Notice that wasn't even printing. See, it's literally just a dollar sign. Oh, maybe I still have it set up wrong. I might be able to add that happy path back. These are supposed to have spaces. And get, add, oh, we want to add all of them. Get, add all, get, commit, maybe formatting? Get, push. Cool. I always want to check that formatting. It says it failed 3 minutes ago. I should be caring about what happens in the next 12 seconds, right? Look, they're just dollar signs. It's just setting it as a dollar sign. It's not actually setting them, so clearly this doesn't work. But this does. Oh, it's because it's only $1 sign. Oh my goodness. You spent 5 hours coding somebody else's homework? I'm sorry. What the heck? That was my problem the whole time, was I had an extra dollar sign. Oh my gosh. I mean, I've never spent 5 hours coding my own homework, let alone somebody else's. Yeah, I'm mostly having problems with my own, dyslexic way of reading code. I'm supposed to have some n variables on these tests, and did I push it? Oh, no I did. And anyway, because they're integration tests. So. Hey, Savage Coder. GitHub Actions are great. I don't work with them enough to know the nuances, right? Usually other people work with them for me, so I just get the benefit of the actions without having to actually, like, deal with them, configure them, think about them. You know? Technically I am doing that. I'm just not, like, right now. I'm using a cockroach serverless database. So technically I am connecting an external database. I'm just not doing it. They're not empty! Pile of garbage. So yeah, I'm trying to connect my external cockroach database to these tests just to ping them. I'm not actually running any data on it right now. Like, I could totally have some test data. So. Well, that's not the problem. Problem is, these secrets should load. That's the problem. But I should, regardless, be able to do this. Nope, 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 nope. And have it work. Because that's just straight at bash. And that should have... I wasn't necessarily super positive that this is accepted. Because there were some change logs. Some GitHub change logs that suggested that maybe the way of setting environment variables has changed. So... there's a possibility that setup might not work. We're just gonna call this hard code. Because the one on 37 works. Well, actually, we've never actually gotten to 37. But this, according to them, works. But if you just, like, look for environment, secret, yeah, okay. Thank you. I was looking for somebody to tell me this. Thank you for that. Yeah, okay. So... and these are the variables that I have, right? So I have a cluster ID, a host, Discord, username. So it should work. Be careful. You know how many times I flashed my credentials on this stream? Like, if I actually cared about any of this stuff, I would delete the database and start over. Now, I agree. The syntax that I'm using appears to be appropriate. Now that being said, I do have, the name of it is not called secrets. There is, the environment name is CICD. So if I go over here to actions and I have secrets, right, see how it's called CICD? So maybe I should, I have GitHub Action Secrets configured. See, it's right here. So what are this says it's action secrets. Oh, I see what you're saying. You're saying all of the other ones, they should be here, not in the other place. Yes! I think that's what I'm doing. Yeah, that. I think that's what I'm doing. Because right now, those are all here. No, not action secrets. No, go back. Yeah, in yes. So I just need to call it, instead of secrets, CICD. I think. For all of them that are not working. No, I didn't want to quit that. No, it's public, but it says it. Look at the disclaimer. It says anybody, you have to have collaborator access. Also, like I said, this is just test stuff. I'm not actually... Just a test database. There's nothing in... Like, it's an empty database. I'm just messing around with some CICD theories more than anything else. Like, it's not... I can't think of any... I'm just messing around. Like, really. If this was stuff for work, I would not... No. I'd be in a lot more trouble. Woo! Yeah, we could be in a lot of trouble if I was doing this for work. I have to add an environment name inside the job. Oh, you... So right here, inside my job, I have an environment. You're saying I need to add a name to that? Okay. Environment. No. I need the whole example, thank you. Workflow. Environment description type environment. The time is 3:30 p.m. Go wash your hands. That's what Google says to do. At 3:30 p.m. you go wash your hands. Don't want to, Google. I don't want to wash my hands. I haven't touched nothing yet. I haven't touched nothing yet. On workflow. Uh-oh, somebody's making noise on the Discord. Oh, you're messaging me now. Straight up, that's... Thank you. But then if I add an environment like this, then I won't even need the exports, correct? Do. Then I'm thinking I don't even need this. Use it, you see, example. Using single environment name. You keep sending me that. And these things don't help at all. Using single environment. Oh, so they do need to be secrets. Okay. Using a single environment name. Yeah, see, these docs do not... I need the whole thing from top to bottom. Fun with environments. I guess that means it's up to me to tell people how to do this, or up to the savage coder, because clearly I didn't know what was going on. Right? Not up to me. Okay, should I go, come on. I don't need this twice. That's garbage. Oh, I didn't. My goodness! I don't even think this is gonna commit anything. See? Yeah, I just... Me personally, I have to see how it relates to everything. Or like, or I don't know how, like, that's how I have to see these examples, or else they don't make sense to my brain. Now go back to actions. Are you trying to do the build you like? Oh, so now they definitely are working. Like, this definitely works. Right? See? And they've obfuscated, like, it's not using my name. Like, because the username is just my name. So that was a success. Thank you. Like 100%. Successful there. That's interesting now. Now we're back to the question of, did I copy and paste appropriately? Also a question of, do I even want this? Like... Do I? Like, all I'm doing right here is pinging the database. I'm proving that the changes have not prevented me from being successfully able to ping my database. And is that valuable? I think yes. I do not want somebody else breaking my ability to connect to a database. Especially if other people end up using this. I doubt anybody will, but if. Look, we got people forking our stuff. I could also just only run unit tests. But do I? Yeah. Let's try... changing the password one more time. Because I mean, if this doesn't work this time, with the updated values, then I'll just remove the integration test for the sake of sakes. What? So are you gonna work or not? Let's just do this. Let's go here. New issue. Add integration tests. I am need to flesh out the integration tests that these tests should check for the following. I am the best issue writer in the history of issues. Let's do could. Connection to database to cockroach, right? Serverless. Connection to Discord server. What it should check is ability to update query and labels. Yep. I don't know. Project, yep. Cool. Submit issue. Now it's a thing. Okay, now I'm killing that. See, look at that, I did it again! I do not know what that is. Before I got distracted by all this garbage, I was gonna see if this golang CI lint allows me to configure what specific linters I'm using. I mean, I think right now it's just doing the default ones, which is fine. But I would love to be able to configure that, because I found some really fun linters on there that I want to enable. Well, I'm gonna let this run. I'm gonna go get some more drinks and snacks. And then, because I need them. No! It shouldn't connect to the database anymore. There should be no... There it is. I can tell you which one it's in too. It's in the main. The things that it should connect to here should... Why? Broken main test. Yes, we should test the main function, but the purpose of testing a main function is to make sure everything sets up. And I already have test functions that test if everything sets up, but they run based on the integration tag, so it's a little bit redundant. Anyway, I guess my point is, if none of my things are running, why does it say... If I've already excluded running integration tests, I don't need to make sure that the main one works. See, look at that. Whoa, what the heck? I failed my sea island? So much for taking a break, I failed my lantern! That's so exciting! And that should be checked right here, like... anyway. Golang... There it is. Oh, you're right. I am not checking that error, and I knew that. It's not gonna let me pass with that. Should I just be like... Should I just be super aggressive? I could just log it, which is fine. Or... super aggressive exit, and we go. No, we don't do an exit. We would do a call one of these. So it's actually here, I believe. It's in client. Shutdown, yeah. And then you would do this. I'm telling you, it's like super aggressive. But it's an OS signal. So an OS signal, this would be where you would do OS dot signals and interface. I think you could do an OS exit here, which would fulfill the interface. I don't know what the error code one is. Actually, I think we should it should count. What the heck? Where's my again, I'm so glad the database doesn't do anything. Oh, defers do not run when using OS exit, so we don't want to use an OS exit. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that's not how I want to do it, because this is only looking for terminal signals. I could just return, right? I could just exit. And that should... Actually, I should just call that. Right? metal ender should work on autosave. I don't know why it's not. But I should be able to do this. Anyway, I should be able to run the metal enter command. I was just trying to see why the metal enter was being so stupid. Clearly, I'm not as ready to stop as I thought I was. I was a little bit more ready than this. Was that successful? It didn't look like a fail to me. Oh, good golly gee. "29%, 22% code coverage. Killer." Let's clean up this message. And then you guys can review it. Okay, all of this garbage from remove certs. Okay. Is valid. Okay. Here you go, guys. Feel free to take a look at that while I take a break. When we come back, we will tackle this one. I want to get all of this stuff merged in and deployed. So, it's my goal. Hey, you want to come outside? You want to go outside, babe? I wonder, could you like hear me talking from, I didn't usually I mute, but I didn't mute, so could you like hear me talking from downstairs? So remember how I said I got an email from the postal service saying you were gonna get a delivery today, and then it said you're not getting nothing? Exactly. I did get something from Simply Safe. It is a Verizon 4G card that I need to put into my base station because the 2G ones don't fail. So essentially, this only exists as a backup for when my Wi-Fi's out. Anyway, it's a 4G card because they're turning off the internet that it currently runs on, and it was free, and it was from Simply Safe. But like I said, the Postal Service, I forgot what I was doing. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I get an email every time a package is supposed to arrive, but the email always says no packages arriving. So the presence of the email guarantees that something will be delivered, but the contents of the email fail to inform me of anything being delivered. It's a failure in the system. Absolutely. Okay, let's some point I need to make an issue for Mariah that I'm going to fix horrible package module names. Bot guts will not fly. Assign that to me. Yeah. This is definitely not an enhancement, but it is a bug. It needs to be done. We need to figure out if we can I don't even know. Thank you. This is done. Back to this. I want this done before I do this. Oh no, people are reviewing it. Oh no. Oh no. People are actually caring. I don't want to. There was. We aren't Did I not? I swear I fixed the rows.close. I know I did. At one point, I could have deleted it again. No. Whoops. This is connection. There is no scan. Oh. No, there's not. Oh. It's a single row, so there is no such thing as a row.close. It's a single row, so no need to close. There is no operation close on SQL.row, only on SQL.rows. Thank you, Jacobico, for my boost. See, look. The SQL package has a row type and a rows type. Rows has closed, row does not. Yes. Why not? This is super unsophisticated. How do you spell sophisticated? Sophisticated. It's just a check. I'll give you that. Boo. Oh, yeah, look. See, I spelled sophisticated way wrong. With a PH, not an F. Sophisticated. Well, I was trying to spell Grafana with a PH and instead of an F like all week. So it's weird that sophisticated has the exact opposite problem. At least for me. Boo. To be fair, this is super hacky and English is dumb. And I want to refactor the entire migration sequence in the future. Let me just copy link. I mean, I could merge without anybody's review. I'm gonna go handle that error though. Yep. So yeah. I already did that. I did the air check. I did the air check. Oh, he said there was 2 errors I didn't handle? There's another error I didn't handle somewhere? Where? I handle all my errors. Oh, there it is. Look at this. Don't you love all of my duplicates? Duplicates the logic. It's such a piece of garbage. Yeah. No, I cleaned that up. Add error handling on the hacky sack stuff. English is dumb. I agree. Should we go see while we're here? Waiting for approval from anybody at this point. I think it does have to be like a code maintainer. I do want to, while I'm here, let's see if we can add specific linters. Is that preview GitHub action? Review dog. Version. Multi-OS support. With. Yeah. No, I just want to see how you how to manage configs. Like, it's obviously it runs the defaults. Okay, so Uses actions checkout. That's what I have. Oh, does it want me to... Oh yeah, I use actions checkout v3. So now, I just need to figure out where they tell you how to add specific linters. So yeah, I don't know how to change I already have that open. I don't want to open it again. How to add linters. I assume oh yes, I want to do that. Let's change that with, I like this one. Only new issues. Is width indented from uses? It is not. Only new issues equals true. There has to be optional args. Optional. Skip cache true. We recommend using action in a separate from other jobs because different jobs run in parallel. Nope, I do have them in the same job, don't I? GitHub parses actions and creates annotations. Currently, they do not support markdown formatting. They don't use No, I want to see the action. Hey, I have that. Post-release PR extra YAML. That's interesting. Markdown, lint, golang CI example YAML. Oh yeah. I bet they want you to add a YAML with the linter settings that live in the repo, and so then it's not right, because that's literally, oh, good call. So if you have those settings already in your thing, then it's doing more than just running the default. But notice how, like, we already said actions are hard. Actions are so hard. My goodness. Didn't they say there was an example? I still don't know if I want it in a different, in its own job. I don't want it in its own job right now. Somebody else might. I don't. But set up with specified user args. Yeah, I got that. I guess I'm trying to hit the end. I'm at a freaking roadblock, and it's only 4:30. It's not like it's the end of the freaking day. So yeah, it's only 4:30. I got so much I could do. Like, try and figure out how yeah, let's go ahead and do this in its own. I've already decided I want to do that. I've talked myself out of this. Okay, workflows. .github, workflows, golang, ci, lint, .yaml, args. So the command line arguments. So what I need to do, versatile for monorepos. Okay, so that's what I want there. Okay. Allow read access to pull requests. Don't want that. So. Go get him, Max. Okay. I don't need a working directory. Like that. I'm gonna kill that. Matrix.go. Oh. I don't have OS set in the matrix. I do have Go set in the matrix. That's great. That was a weird sound to come from my dog. It was like, I don't know if you can even hear it. Like, that's what it sounded like. Insane. So there's that. Okay, so I guess I have a couple of questions. And these are just for in general. Hey, you big Pharaoh! What you doing? I got a visit from a dog that you can't even see. Hi, Lulu. Were you barking so you come to say hi to Mom? Your desk is so tall, I can't even be seen. Do you want to come say hi? You want to come up, say hi? Okay. Come here. You trust Mom? Yeah, hi, Lulu! Huh. Hi, Lulu! Okay, you can get down. Good girl. Only 60 pounds. Good job, Lou. Thank you for letting Mama hold you. Thank you for letting Mama hold you. They're getting ready. She has like an internal clock for when it's 5. I guess I'm wondering if I need to. There it is. I found it. We recommend using GitHub Actions. Oh, that's just here. Then go bark. It's fast and uses smart caching. We already knew that. So if we go down here, also, Action creates GitHub annotations for other issues found. You don't need to dig into the build log found by this. Oh, like this. Yeah, I already do it locally. Yeah, I just know that there's like 5,000 linters. So basically, if I have this in my working directory, it should run locally. Linter settings, severity configurations, case sensitive true. I mean, I could always do one of these, right? Like this would be, I want to, too bad. Oh, thank you for that follow, Vern Raju. Thank you, thank you, thank you. R. Munoz Fernandez also following me on Twitter, which Twitter's fun. I don't know how to use it, but it is fun. Oh, that they're not following me. I lied. They're probably following Go West. Yep. Not me. They're following Go West. Okay. So let's add a local lint. Like, So this is args for command line arguments. Could I do this? This would be like death. Right? I don't want to do this. But like theoretically, as long as this is loaded, it should work. I mean, I'm not saying I want to run all, but I might as well. I mean, I don't want to run all. I could do a config path, which they did have in their example, right? Yeah. Oh no, they don't have a config path. I've never actually done this. Like, run configuration. Okay, golang searches for config file in all directories from the directory. First, analyze path to the root. So it looks like even the CI linter will look for one of these. To see the config file being used and where it's sourced with the V option, which we have on there, we have an example. Which they do. They straight up have an example right here. Not this one. This one has an example. Right? Linter settings. And I don't necessarily want all the linters, but it's nice. I mean, look at this. Isn't this like the world's biggest thing? But what does they want the YAML to be called? Golang CILint.yaml. And okay. Sorry. Golang CILint.yaml. Well, that was straight up. It did have a hyphen, right? No, just golang ci.yaml. Things to add. One day when I make I'm gonna make a template directory that like I use for all my projects. This would be a great thing to add. I'm surprised. By Twitter. Like, some people literally use Twitter as like a technical support. Okay, so first thing first, they have a run option. Which is this. Oh, okay, so this is the run section. Concurrency, timeout 5 minutes, exit when issues, test false. Yeah, I do want to lint my... Okay, so if I were to copy this, which I am, I'm just... We're gonna allow that. We're gonna do default number of CPU. We're gonna add a timeout. Yeah, we'll do that. Test fault, list of build tags, all linters use it, no. Skip directories, no. Skip directories, skip files. Module download, remote, yes. Allow multiple parallel golang. Okay. There we go. So now we have that. Start with number 1, output. I'm trying. Print issued lines false, default true. Print linter name, default true. Multiple can be specified by separating by comma. Output can be provided for each of them by separating format name path with colon symbol. Output path may either be standard out. I don't think I need any of those. Like, the output's fine. I'm not adding anything to the output. Now, as far as this is redundant. Linters. Disable all linters. Default false. Enable specific linters. Yes, I think we're going to just go by the enable specific linters and get rid of the enable all. The reason being, okay, so if I go here to the presets, which they say they already whoop-a-doo. I want to read some of these presets because the presets are probably a lot closer to what I want. So they have the specific ones, but what's the heck is this custom? Oh, these are the presets them. So like, where's the go meta linter? That was one of them. Right? Oh, see, look, it tells you what preset it's in. Yeah, I mean... I have a list. I'm just gonna go with my list. And I can add them later. I don't think that these are in any kind of thing. I wish they were in like alphabetical order. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this. And then the ones that don't end up commented are the ones I'm using. Revive. Air check. Dead code. I know I have dog sled on there, but go simple. And F to sign. Static check. I know I have like all of those. Well, and I guess enable all's fine, but like at a certain point there's a little bit of like overlap. What line's it on? Body clothes. Dog sled. Told you I had dog sled. Go const. Go cyclo. For cyclomatic complexities? Go row errors check. I thought I had the SQL close check on there. Oh, I did. See? Told you. And then misspell. Obviously, there's a lot I'm not using. I'm adding this one. Some things I don't have because I think they're dumb. Like, they're things that you, like... Like the white space one. Like, my editor's already taken care of that, so it's dumb for me to waste compute cycles on something that I'm already handling. So I guess that's kind of where I'm at. Configuration. Issues configuration. List of regex. List of regex of issues to exclude. I don't understand. Issue and severity. Don't understand that. So now let's try this. So now if I did golang, go... Don't have any. Did it... Thing is like, did it look for that file? I can't, I don't know. Whoa. I misspelled golang silent. And I always call it silent when that's not actually what it's called. Fix enter name. Yeah, we're going to... I have about an hour. Oh! My run failed. No jobs were run on the Golang Sea Island. Why? Oh, this is interesting. Well, I added a job and then killed a job. If we go over here to actions. See, this one died. Invalid type on. So it doesn't like my format. On. Yeah, that should all be indented, right? Oh, I think my other one failed too. No, they're fine with that. Let me go over here. We're gonna call this just linting. Right? Yeah, that's a fine name. Yeah, I don't see the issue with that. No, I want to... git add git commit. I told you that these GitHub actions have a learning curve, and the learning curve, it's like, I don't know, I don't feel like you can just pop them out in your sleep, and I'm not even writing them. Like, I don't get it. I do not dislike GitHub Actions. I do think this is all 100% user error. But I don't know. Like, I really don't. Git commit, check formatting. The thing is, I don't... Let me pull up their reference. Because I'm gonna get another email. Yeah, they have everything. Permissions was flush with jobs. And in mine, no, I just want to look at the code. In mine, why? Oh, that's because I added. Why does this one look so pretty and this one not look so pretty? And this one was deleted. This is gone. Yeah, we don't want them to ever be here ever again. Like, the file's gone. Must be stored in the Git history somewhere. Actor. No. Branch. Yeah, we already knew that. Go back. Oh, the actual error? It says invalid type for on. Thank you. So I changed the name. Thank you. Ahontesias. Dihonte. Dante? It's like Dante. Anyway, so this is the error. No, I don't want to go there. I want to... So basically, it's not even compiling my YAML right now. I think it's because of the tags. That we have. Right, so I just copied this config right here that has a push tags. But here I have push and pull request, and that's the problem. It should be like this. I think, thank you for having me double check that error. Like this. That should work. Yeah, and let me just push this and then I'll go back and look at the event. I had a duplicate push. So if I go back to my thing, event name, well, I mean, I don't even think it's running. So if I go to my actions right now, oh, we do have the linter running now. So yeah. Now the linter's broken. Error. Exit with code 3. Running. Cannot run linter. Go analysis meta linter. Failed to load Go package arch. Could not load exported data. Cannot import internal Go arch. Unknown import format. Export data in newer version dash update tool. Cannot run linter. Unused internal Go arch. Update tool. It doesn't like, so I'm running this on Ubuntu. I think the problem is though, so they specify an OS very specifically. And this, and I think that's my problem. Is I removed the in the example. Well, I shouldn't say I think that's my problem. Let me just say I know there's an inconsistency in between mine and the others, being that in their example they have this runs on that I with an OS, and like I killed that. Because I'm running on Ubuntu, they also have their own build step. So let's go here. Let's go back to the job. And I go all the way to steps. Okay. And then I don't even know if I want Ubuntu, but since it's running in parallel, it might as well have it. I mean, it's not hurting anything, is it? So, I don't want Go 7. If I'm running 18 locally, I should run Go 1.1. Right? Git add. Thank you, Dehonte Cias, for your suggestions. I appreciate that. pushed me in the right direction. Checking OS configs. I do like not having to exit Vim though, so that whatever plugin, I forgot what the plugin was called, and obviously the plugin was worth it. I swear it was like Vim Ninja. Could you run the linter only on one environment? Yes, I can, but they're running all in parallel. So, you're not bothering. I really appreciate the feedback. I need somebody to help rubber duck these things because it's hard to think on Twitch. And this is a very much out of my element project in a lot of ways, so I appreciate it. I also thank you for watching that generics talk. I'm glad you enjoyed it. It was not, I did not do like hardly anything. Most of it was Ryan, so. But I'm glad you came to join us. Could not import internal Go Arch on Ubuntu, like none of them. That's internal. Found it. What was the K? Yes. We should be able on the latest master. I recommend with GoGet. So this could be because my version here is, no, that's the right version. Yeah, I know, it says update the tool. But that's exactly what this says. So that's, I guess they're trying to, I guess, let me kill that. What is the version of the linter A? That's not where I wanted to be. I wanted to be here. So right here it says okay. So what version? I'm using version 3, which means the skip go explicit require installation step. Do I have an explicit setup Go? And yes, I do with Go 118. Right? Setup Go with Go 118. What? Git commit. Update the version. Thank you. That's definitely not the version that we're using. No, you don't need to shut up. I appreciate it. I updated it, see? Plus Twitch, I get better Twitch stats when people type in chat, so. Okay, I have about 10 minutes before I need to go pick up dinner for my parents. 'Cause they's old. So. Let's see if in this 10 minutes, if we can figure some stuff out. I can just do latest. Should I just do latest? I bet we're gonna get the same error, but it's... Oh, look at that. We got a different error this time. Job was canceled because Ubuntu failed. Failed to run. Error. Unexpected 404 response. Because it couldn't connect. I'm going to rerun that. Oh gosh, the pain of setting it up. Well, I mean, it worked when it was just the defaults. It's now that I've changed some of the configs and made it its own job that it's having problems. You know. There we go. Yeah, it's still getting a 404, but only on the... I mean, it's not even trying on the other ones. So, they didn't have Ubuntu in the other options. So let's just kill it. Linting. Okay, so the Ubuntu doesn't even seem to be supported, so good call on that. I'm still giving you thanks. Dejonte. That's your new name. Killer. Killer, 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 killer! That's awesome. We have freaking working linting. That's great. And a code coverage report. And a bunch of garbage. Awesome. Okay. Disable auto merge. Let's yeah, but I need, yeah, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and say what this optional extended description, what the whole point of this thing is. Let's see. Oh, go back. Go back. Go right here. Let's see. We've added changes to. We have GitHub. Workflows. We added the client library. And I think main underscore test. Nope, we didn't kill that one. Files changed. Purpose of this intent. Yeah, we're gonna go with purpose. This PR is to create adds tests to important functions as well as adding code coverage insights from the, it's a big PR. Via actions. This PR also adds linter requirements, config to project, and linter to actions. That's all it does. Okay. Cool. Thank you guys. I'm going to, we've had a fun day. We've had a blast. I have appreciated hanging out with each and every one of you, all my friends. So yeah, we'll be back next week. We will do some more twitching, more work on this. But most importantly, I think we got enough done. We got a decent amount of stuff done. And we had some fun. I don't know. My goodness, I have too many things going on in my hair. So yeah, thank you. I don't know. Tell your friends. Come hang out with me. I need to add another day. We're gonna try and set this up so we can do Wednesday mornings. But like I said on Twitter, I've got a lot of stuff coming up, a lot of projects, a lot of events, just a lot of stuff in the pipeline. Gotta flesh out some, yeah, so I don't know if like it's feasible right now to add another day, but it is a goal. So thank you for hanging out. I'll see you guys hopefully next week. So until then.